All right, welcome back, my amazing students. So now that you guys are here, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like my videos. All right? Perfect. Thank you. So let's go into creating the functions for this component here, the functions code. So we got state here. And what I want to do is I want to catch the event here. But now we need to catch the event on what exactly? On this input, right? So what we can do here is we can attach this function into an on change actually. And then we'll just say, handle the change function. So let's just put that in the next input as well. And in here, we're gonna receive the event. Once we receive the event, then we can play around with the state, right? So we'll use this function here that's set form data to play around with the state. And so let's go ahead and say, yeah, listen, I want you to add all the form data using this spread here, all right? And then once you do that, go ahead and let's put this in this, and get this into the target.name. Let's get that out because that is coming from the, as a matter of fact, I don't have it here. Let me just put it right now. This will be the full name. And let's just put this right below here. So let's make sure that we have this in the form so that way we can pull that data from there. Make sure that in your email as well, you have the name email. Okay? All right. So we'll put that, since we're going to pull a couple of them, we'll put that into an array. And let's make sure that is the target, that value that we want to pull out of there. Perfect, right? And then we'll set that state to that using that function. That's perfect. So let's go here now and create, as a matter of fact, I already have it, the handle next. And what we want to do here simply is just redirect the user into another component, another page by putting the path here. And then I want to set up the state. I want to make sure that they get access to this as well. So let's just put the form data in there. All right. So we'll put the form data, we'll pass that down. Handle next. Make sure that that button is actually have some type of on click that can use that function. Handle next. Simple as that. Okay. Now let's make sure that we don't have any problems when we are clicking on this stuff. Make sure that you save your files, open your inspect element. One thing here to keep in mind is that you can go ahead and download this tool here to show you some more in-depth, stuff for React. All right, so these are the React developer tools. So make sure you download it for Chrome. I didn't have it in this computer. I'm just gonna add it right now. All right. So make sure that you add this extension so that way you can get more stuff from it. All right, let's go ahead and refresh here. And now if I click next, you can see that it goes to step number 2. That's what we want. So I'll see you guys on the next step or the next video. So that way we can finish this up with the, creating this. I'll see you guys then. Take care.